Hi everyone. This video will review how to create and set your home page for each of your courses. Okay. The video before this, if you watched it, reviewed how to access Commons and bring things over and import things from Commons. We are going to do that. Now notice that the Commons button over here on the left side is a way to access Commons. You can also access Commons from your quote-unquote home page on the right-hand side. Notice that right now my home page is set to modules, okay? And I don't want students to just open up their course and just see the modules. I want some sort of welcome and introduction to the course, okay? Just like you would on any website. So I'm going to click on Import from Commons. If I choose the button over here on the right, it's the same as choosing the button on the left. In doing so, it'll take me to Commons. Now, there is a template that is already in Commons for us to be able to use and edit. If you will, search for Glow Wilmington. That will bring up all of the pieces that are shared and tagged with our name. You can look through here and see all of the ones that have been created. Now this is a home page, so I'm going to specifically look for one that says page here. And here it is. Okay, so this is a page. It's titled home page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And looking at the preview, it has our logo here with a welcome to your virtual subject course. We are excited about what we have in store for you. Scrolling down, it has some information that we want you to include on the home page. So I do want this template. I'm going to click Import and Download, and I'm going to apply this to my Math 2 Honors Core 1 because I have not set that up yet. If you have all of your courses already created, you can go ahead and import this to each of your courses just by selecting each of the courses that you want it to go to. Okay. Scrolling down, I'm going to click Import, and it has already started importing to my Honors Math 2 class. I'm going to now go to Courses and open up my Honors Math 2. Notice that it's not here, correct? It's a page, so if you watch the previous video, you'll know that whatever type of assignment, or excuse me, whatever type that you import into your course, it will automatically be put into that part. So if you import a discussion, it'll go to your discussion. If you import an assignment, it will go to assignments. We imported a page. So I'm going to click on Pages. And see, it already says home page here and it shows up here. Now I want to be able to set this as my front page and edit it. I could edit this just by clicking edit here, but before I do so, I want to show you how to make sure that this shows up as your home page when you click the home button here. To do so, we'll click View All Pages, and we'll scroll down to find the home page. Now notice here that it says front page. I'm going to show you how to make sure that this shows up. Okay. We want it to be published, so if this circle is not green with a check in it, you'll just click that button and it will show up as green. Okay. The three buttons over here on the right, we'll click that. And whoops, sorry. I'm going to go ahead and remove it as front page, just in case it shows up here. So on those three buttons, we want to use as the front page. And when we do so, you'll see front page next to the title of this page. Now that it's set here, we're going to scroll back up and click on Home. But notice that I clicked on the home page and it still doesn't populate here. Over on the right, we need to choose the home page. Click that button and it'll select. Right now, course modules are selected as my home page, but I want my front page home page to actually show up here. You have to do the other step first before you do this step. Otherwise, you will not have the option to choose Pages front page. So when I click Save, it brings up, this is my home page, and that's exactly what I want here. When I click on the Home tab, this is what your students will see as your home, and we'll show you the student view in just a second. I do want to go ahead and edit this. Okay. Click Edit, and it brings up our page to edit. I'm going to change my subject to your virtual North Carolina Math 2 Honors course. We are excited about what we have in store for you. I want to add a picture here. So I'm just going to enter, tab down so it gives me that space. I'm going to go to Images. I'm not going to upload anything. I want it to search. Let's search math. Well, let's do quadratics. See if anything comes up here. Scroll down. I saw this picture earlier and I thought it was really, I liked it a lot. It's graffiti on, one of those median things that you see in the middle of the road or on the side of the road when they're doing construction. This is the quadratic formula, which I think is appropriate. So I'm going to use that picture. Okay. Now scrolling down, I'm going to enter my information. The teacher, that's me. You can use one of your titles if you want to. My contact, that's my email. Whoops. My Google Voice number. My office hours, I'm not sure about this, but right now I'm just going to say Monday through Thursday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And then my remind code is at, let me look this up real quick and see if I can get access to it without going to my computer. It is KK4E7AB. Okay, so now that I have all of that information there, your office hours, this I'm offering with my students that I know I will be available to them between these two hours, Monday through Thursday. All right. I want to make myself available for a certain time frame since we're going virtual for a little while for my high school students. Okay. This is not necessary, but we'll talk about this more probably as a staff. When I click Save, there is my home page. Okay. You can edit this and personalize it as you see fit. We ask that you keep our logo at the top, the welcome statement, this statement here, and you include all of this information that's bulleted. If you don't have a remind code and you're not sure how to set that up, please reach out to me or any of your faculty members. Most of us should be able to help you with that. And you can personalize this homepage as you see fit. Now when I click back on home, I want to see this from a student's perspective. So I'll click on Student View, and this is what they see when they sign in. Okay, just like what we saw before. Notice that I have an announcement populate at the top as well to encourage students to see that. If you have questions on setting up your home page, how to import it from Commons, or anything else on how to edit it, please feel free to reach out to me with questions. Thanks so much.